Delphi brings 80-plus years of OE heritage into each Delphi assembly, ensuring quality and fitment for each Delphi part. As a leading OE supplier to the automotive industry, Delphi holds more than 30 OE proprietary innovations and 150 patents in fuel module and pump design. As a result, our fuel pumps restore fast pressure performance and system integrity to provide better pumping through less energy. Delphi fuel pumps feature internal springs for increased durability and enhanced stability, while a lower amperage draw places less load on a vehicle's electrical system. Our fuel pumps include a large volume reservoir to better handle low fuel situations and vehicle cornering, as well as fuel level, gold-filled sensors for improved corrosion resistance. Other benefits of our fuel pumps include consistent pump flow, an enhanced filtration system for longer pump life, and an OE service body harness and connector for superior performance, durability and ease of installation. Top reviews from the United States. 2004 Grand Prix, most likely, needed one. Other than being a bitch to get out and access, that part is on GM. It is a great sensor and came pre-coated on the treads with tread sealant to prevent and cooling system leaks. Delphi products are generally awesome.